I received this hunting rangefinder as a gift, and in this video, I'm showing how it works by testing it around my neighborhood. Even though this isn't a hunting setting, it still gives really good idea of how accurate and easy it is to use. I honestly can't wait to use it next hunting season. This rangefinder has a maximum distance up to 1,400 yards and features 6 times magnification, which gives you a clear, sharp view of whatever you're ranging. The display is easy to read and the measurements come quickly, which is exactly what you want when you're trying to range a target efficiently. One thing I really like is that it has 3 different measurement modes: angle, horizontal, and vertical. Those modes are especially useful for hunting in uneven terrain or when you're dealing with elevation changes. It helps give you more accurate information for real-world hunting situations. The controls are simple and straightforward. You don't have to dig through complicated menus, and switching between modes is quick and easy. It also feels solid in your hand without being bulky, so it's easy to carry in a pocket or pack. My husband was actually really impressed with this rangefinder, especially considering the price. The features you get: the range, the magnification, and different measurement modes, all things you usually see on much more expensive models. Even just testing it out around the neighborhood, it's been accurate and consistent. I can already see how helpful this will be in the field when it really matters. Overall, this rangefinder is a great option if you're looking for something reliable, easy to use, and packed with features without spending a ton. I'm really excited to put it to use this next hunting season.